Their end game is to transfer all private wealth over to themselves. Now, if we were to address all of this with the intention of fixing it, our actual objective would be to eliminate the root causes. That is, get rid of the liars to get rid of the lies. This means we would have to get rid of the Federal Reserve System, return to sound money backing our currency and credit, eliminate fractional reserve banking, and allow the actual money supply in circulation to determine its own interest rates following its commodity value to the market. In other words, we must take what we have learned from the past, identify those same problems in the present, and change our course to make sure not to repeat those same mistakes. That's the whole purpose of studying the history of these things. Now, if you were to ask me how I would do this, let's think about what we would do and why. Firstly, we know that taxation and the Federal Reserve System was foisted upon the American people by deceit and misdirection to justify the elimination of panics or bank runs. This was a lie. It was formed to capture the money supply, profit by monetary elasticity at the behest of the government, eliminate their growing competition, and protect unethical and reckless lending practices on the part of their financial reserve banking buddies. Their end game is to transfer all private wealth over to themselves. They have positioned themselves to profit as much with the booms as with the busts. It's just like going long or going short in the stock market. The debts to them are always paid, both in the booms and the bust. When their loans, all based on credit, are called, the real assets held as guarantees are liquidated and the proceeds go into their coffers. Looking at the Fed as a source of lies, it covers at least three of them: the devaluation of the dollar through fiat currency and credit, control of the interest rates, and the protection of the fractional reserve banking system, leading to a free-for-all with the multiplier effect. If we get rid of a huge chunk of the problem,